you?
Well, I was just fine until I saw you three come around the corner.
I have a list of questions to ask you, nothing too personal. And we'll put you on video, and then we'll put you on our fan page on Facebook. It'll be painless. Welcome, Denise Praw, on our Intimate Invasion. Thank you for having us. We've known about this for a whole minute now, so I appreciate you participating.
My best experience is giving a small business owner who's struggling to make ends meet right now in this current economy, giving them a check to give them money back in their pocket and help them make ends meet a little bit more. That's probably the most rewarding, best experience that I have. My first kiss, oh gosh. That was in junior high, in the stairway, Craig Junior High School with Jeff Copeland.
Wow.
I remember I was in 8th grade. We were in the stairwell. We were walking down the stairs. There was nobody else there. It was after school, and that was my very first kiss with Jeff Copeland. My most recent vacation was a vacation from hell. My vision for the vacation was a nice, long, relaxing, warm vacation out of Indiana for a little while. Longest time I've taken in years, and it ended up being cold, windy, bad cruise, bad ship, bad food, bad service, traveling companion, seasick the whole time, vacation. Not what I anticipated. Still got some readings, still wasn't in the snow, but it was the vacation from hell. I am really working on planning my weeks better instead of letting the business run me, which happens on a regular basis to me. I'm really focusing on trying to plan my weeks better, put the things that need to be done at the top of my list, not the things that I want to do. So that is, it's a big struggle, and I think all the other goals of income and accomplishments and that type of thing are going to follow if I can just change that one habit and satisfy that goal. One of my best childhood memories was Christmas. A Christmas present that I got when I was 14, which is a very odd Christmas present. I was just in love with this. It was a light powder blue pair of bell-bottom pants.
I love it.
And I wanted them so badly, and my parents kept telling me, they already had all my gifts and everything, and then they were under the tree that morning, and I thought I was such hot stuff in those light powder blue bell-bottom pants.
Well, thanks for having us. Again, it's been a pleasure talking with you, Denise Praw, on the Silver Square Intimate Invasion.